Question 4 is a histogram question, and the key thing about histograms is you need to find this scale factor kind of k. Okay, so what this is that the area of our histogram, okay, so if we were to calculate the area of our histogram, so we've got 2 times 1 plus, plus 2 times 1.5 plus 2 times 5.5 plus 2 times 4.5 plus 4 times 1. Okay, this has got to equal 58, right? Because the total area has got to represent how many students we have in our test. Okay, but at the moment this doesn't equal 58. Okay, so that's why we have this scale factor k involved. Okay, and that makes sure that the area, whatever the area is, then scales up and scales down so that the total number of students in our test is 58. Okay, so we have k lots of 2 plus 3 plus 11 plus 9 plus 4 equals 58. Okay, so we have 5, 16, 25, 29. So 29k equals 58. So then k equals 2. So what this k represents is whatever area we get, okay, times that by 2, and that is how many pupils are in that kind of band or in that width. Okay, so let's look at part A. Part A, we need to know the number of girls who took longer than 56 seconds. Okay, so what's the area of longer than 56 seconds? Well, this area is going to equal 2 times 4.5, so 9, plus 4 times 1, which is 4, equals 13. Okay, so if the area is 13, we know that the people is then 2 lots of the area, so 26 people. Perfect. Now let's look at part B. Estimate the number of girls who took between 52 seconds and 55 seconds. Okay, so we want to know the number of girls who took between 52 seconds and 55 seconds. Alright, so this is an estimate. Okay, why is it an estimate? Well, we're splitting one of these groups in half. Okay, and like in chapters 1 and 2, okay, we're going to assume that this data between 54 and 56 is evenly distributed. Okay, so if we were to split it in half, then it's exactly half the data. Alright, this couldn't be the case, right? We could have all of our data on this right hand side, right? And realistically everything between 54 and 56 could be the same as everything between 55 and 56, right? But we're going to assume it's not like that. We're going to assume it's evenly distributed. Okay, so let's work it out. So what is the area between 52 and 54? That is going to be 2 lots of 1.5, so 3, plus half of the area between 54 and 56, which is 5.5 times 2. Okay, so this is 3 plus 5.5, so 8.5. Okay, but we know the area. If we times the area by 2, we get the number of people, so we get 17 people for part